Today I'm going to show you how to create premium text that looks straight up professional right inside Premiere Pro. In less than 2 minutes, you're going to go from flat, boring text to something smooth and premium. Let's get into it. Drop a text layer in your timeline and type whatever text you want. Font choice is huge. This is really the foundation of clean-looking text. Personally, I use SF Pro or Plus Jakarta Sans. They both give that nice premium feel. Next, we're going to add some depth with color. Click on Fill, and up in the top left of the panel, select the linear gradient option. Now, let's dial it in. Set the color you want. For me, I'm keeping it white on the first color stop, but feel free to use whatever you want. The second color stop, leave it white too, but here's what's going to make the difference. Drop the opacity all the way down to 0%, just like this. And already, the text is starting to look really clean. Now, to push the effect even further, go into opacity, and under blend mode, set the layer style to difference. All right, now let's get into the animation. We're going to do a smooth position animation. For this, you're going to need Blinkle.io. It's a command bar extension that gives you Smoothify for free, so if you haven't installed it yet, the link is in the description. Place 2 position keyframes on your text layer. On the first keyframe, slide the layer down, and on the second keyframe, place your text at its final position. Now open up Blinkle to use Smoothify. Click the widget or hit Ctrl+K, then type Smoothify. Click Use Preset and apply the Ease Out Curve preset. Important, make sure your cursor is between the 2 keyframes before you click Apply. Go back to your timeline, and already, the motion is super smooth. But to really sell the effect, let's handle the opacity too. Add an opacity keyframe at 0% at the start and another one at 100% at the end. Somewhere around 5 to 8 frames after the first one. And that's it. You've got yourself premium, smooth text. Install Blinkle for free. Smoothify is included, and it literally makes your animation workflow twice as fast. Link in the description. Subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials.